So I had a client recently who had a biker gang who wanted to rent collectively a couple of units in his complex and live near each other. But he had an inherent dislike for that and said, no, I'm not going to rent to you based on the fact of your collective interests. Now, since they were not a protected class, he could do that. But you need to be careful if you're going to make a determination like that about what you can and cannot do, because if they had been a collected class, that could be a real issue. So the first thing that you want to be aware of is that you need to understand that there's several different levels of both a federal, state, and local compliance. And what may be protected at the federal level is traditionally layered on at both the state as well as the local level may have some stipulations as well. So you need to make sure that you're aware of each one of those different levels when you're understanding what's protected. And that's typically the things you're going to think of race, color, family status, disability, and things like that. Now, something that you should be aware of and have on your radar is that a source of income may be considered a protected class in some jurisdictions. Now, I'm currently in Pennsylvania, which in most areas, source of income is not a protected status, except in the Philadelphia market, and they're talking about it coming into Pittsburgh. So this matters because if you have a tenant who has a Section 8 voucher, you as the landlord have the right to say no, that you don't want to accept that voucher unless source of income is considered in the local municipality as a protected status, in which case you can't say, no, I won't take your Section 8 voucher, because you have to treat everyone the same regardless of where their income is coming from. So be very careful and aware of the source of income restrictions that may or may not exist.